Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change frame rate in Medal TV. So when we record our clips on Medal TV, we have the resolution and we have the FPS of our recordings. So if we navigate through this clip right here, we can easily see that this has been recorded in 30 FPS. And if you want to go ahead and change that, it's as simple as heading over to the application itself. And from here, you have the quick settings, which is above your screen right here. You have the quick clip right here. You can easily change the duration of your clip. In my case, I want it at 15 seconds. And then at the last setting, you have your resolution and FPS. If you want to record in a high quality, you want to select 1080p 60 FPS, or if you specifically want to customize these settings the way you want to, you can just click on the manage quality, and from here you can customize the resolution, the FPS, the bitrate, your encoder, the selected GPU, and lastly codec. In my case, I'm currently recording at 720p 30 FPS 10 bitrate. I have the GPU as the encoder. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.